Hello friends, today we will learn about Galla Salon Sales Counter. This is the dashboard of the Salon app, and let's start with new sale. So new sale will basically enable you to create a customer order. So here you can select the services that customer has chosen. It could be one or multiple services. Once done, this will be automatically added to the cart. Now select the staff assigned. Okay. Now select the mode of payment. Let's select UPI and click on this. The bill summary will appear. Click on generate bill. Just wait a little. And now you can simply print this bill. You can also send it to your email address by entering the email address over here. As of now, we will just save this bill to our desktop and later we'll print it. You can also email it. Email has been sent successfully. Alright, so that's how you will generate the bill, or how you will create the order for your customer. Now we have another option, that is appointments. So let's see how we can book the appointments. Here we have this calendar for the current month. Just click on book an appointment. Select the phone number of the customer name, appointment date by clicking on the calendar, time slot, staff assigned, services customer wish to avail. These could be multiple or just single service. And just simply click on save. See, we have just created this. So that's how you can simply create appointments. Now here we have sales. So now if you want to cancel an invoice, how you will do that? It's very simple. Just click on cancel, enter the invoice number and click on load. Once you do this, the invoice will be cancelled. So it's this simple. Now we have reports. So we have sales report and cash register report. Sales register or cash register. Let's first explore sales register report or sales report. So here we have the sales report for online sales and this is offline sales. As of now we do not have any data. So in your case you might be having the data, so it will appear here. Now for the online sales, select the calendar. Let's say 11th of July, from 11th of July till 17th of July, and see. So that's how you can check the sales. You can go back also if you wish, So accordingly, transaction types you can change, maybe UPI or all transaction, whatever you wish to check here. You can just select the calendar, the date from a particular date to a particular date, the transaction type, and the sales report will appear here. Alright, now we have cash register report. Just click on this and the cash register report will appear. Here also you can select the date range. Select the date range that from 3rd till 16th and just click on apply. No sales found. Okay, so in case there is any sales based on your business module or whatever sales you are having, the report will appear here. Here, because this is a sample, we do not have any data to show here. Alright, now we have products and services. Okay, so this list will show all the products or services that your salon is offering. So if you wish to edit any product or service, just simply click on edit. Enter the name. Maybe you want to edit the name, so you can edit the name here, cost, MRP, text, inventory, or category. If you want to make any changes over here, just make the changes and click on save. This is sample, so here it won't be possible, but for you, when you do the changes, it will be easily reflected. Yeah, so that's how you can make the changes. Alright, now we have customer history. So let's click on this and you can enter the customer mobile number. Okay, and just click on this search icon. Okay, so we do not have any details because this is a random number, so it is not showing. In your case, it will show all the details, the customer history. So yes, that's how you'll be able to check the customer history related to sales or the gift cards. Okay, now lastly we have settings. So for general settings, it's like it will be asking you to install the app to make it more convenient for you. Then we have settings for catalog. So it is here showing the total number of products that are available or that you have added in the backend. Now it will ask you to sync the products. If you wish to sync, click on sync now and the products will be synced. Now for the sales setting, it is here showing the total offline orders. If you wish to sync the offline orders, click on sync now. If you wish to view order logs for the offline orders or offline sales, just click on view order logs and the data will appear here. Because this is sample, here you won't find any data, but in your case you will be able to view all the data seamlessly. So yeah, that's all about the Salon app. We have explored all the major options, the major points that you will be dealing with. So yeah, hope this helps. Thank you.